Let me show you another unique piece. Now some of you might think, oh, it's just an old pipe wrench. And it probably is. But I've never really seen one that was made in what's that say? I think it says Erie, Pennsylvania. Let me read that to you. Stelson wrench, the Erie Tool Works, Erie, PA, USA. So we've heard of the Stelson Works, but I'm not sure about the Erie thing. I wouldn't know if that was common with the Stelsons. But anyway, it's a very nice old, completely usable pipe wrench. And I kind of liked it because it's at Erie, Pennsylvania. And I'm not totally sure if that's a common pipe wrench or something that you don't see very often. But I wanted to share it with you anyway. See what you guys think. Common or Mr. Helper Guy found a gem. And I have to say that I'll use this pipe wrench. It'll be back in service. Back doing what it was made to do and loves to do. Fitting. Let me show you another unique piece. Now some of you might think, oh, it's just an old pipe wrench. And it probably is.